shoot up some video, my general. Show them up. Yeah, pass baby. Sinai TV station downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Video shooting and go up on Sinai TV, my people. Don't look for live me at them now. Oh no, look for live me at them. See ya, my general. Sinai TV station video shooting, my people. Live at Harbour Street, Kingston, Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. So me I talk about that, me I tell my people. And we also I take some photographs to my people so they can see. We have the Tassilem, my people. We have the Jamaica Tassilem, Rastafarian Tassilem, the Ghana Tassilem, the Ethiopian, the Argentine Tassilem, the Argentina, the Brazil colors. So me down on my HU downtown Kingston, Jamaica, my people, as I can see the video shooting going on right now. Live on Harbour Street and my airstrip, my people. This is my airstrip, my people, where you have a pass to go to the Norman Manley Airport, my people. So everything have a pass through my airstrip. So I see some jumbo jet a pass, my people. See some jumbo jet a pass. So I like a live me I tell, and the video shooting continue, my people. I feel it jumbo jet them time. See them, my people, as they can see actually. And that me I tell you, Sinai TV station, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Video shooting manager. You see what I go on, my general? You see what I go on, my general? Yeah, my people, it's me again, Sinai TV station, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. That me I tell you, cool runnings, cool Jamaica. I that. Yeah,
Stand up for me.
Yeah, my general, yeah. Seeing the people, as we said, the video shooting are going and then the joking are going. Me and my general, and we are shoot up the video them like, whoa.
Right there.
Right there, my general. Come up some more. Right there. Yeah, man, Sinai TV station video shooting as me for telling them my people, and we have the Jamaican colors them. As you can see the Jamaican colors. Oh yeah, you want to see my face properly. Yes, my general. See there, so and the lighting of one, my people. Sinai TV station. SinaiTV.com. That it up some more now. I mean, Sinai TV station. Yo, I that. Bless up my friends. That's it. Be that short. Live on Sinai TV station. So I see the people. Yeah, look here, go over the waving gallery and shot some over there too. As me for tell you. See them people, as me for tell you, it's me Sinai TV station, downtown video shooting and go on. And then like a lighting me when me are telling my people, so it that. Yo, let me close my life. Watch this.